The Minister of Environment and Forest Government of Meghalaya, James P.K. Sangma, launched the book entitled Withering Forests, Dying Rivers, written by Naba Bhattacharjee'S at the Shillong Golf Club, Shillong, today, the 26th of March 2022. The book launch was followed by a panel discussion and interactive session. The panelists included Minister of Environment and Forests, James P.K. Sangma, President and CEO of the International Forum for Environment, CHANDRA BHUSHAN, Senior Advocate National Green Tribunal, RITWICK DUTTA, and PADMASHRI awardee, PATRICIA MUKHIM. Speaking on the occasion, James P.K. Sangma said that the book deals with important issues related to the environment, and he lauded the author for his efforts in bringing out the book, which is a dream come true to him. The environmental issues in the book are something that the people are aware of, since their existence is evident all over the world. Today, environmental degradation is a matter of grave and great concern to all, Sangma added. He went on to say that the book truly reveals how, in the name of development, people have been exploiting natural resources of planet Earth.
The environmental issues in this book are not something that all of us are not aware of, because they are all so evident and existent all over the world. Today, environmental degradation is a matter of grave and great concern for all of us. The book really clearly spells out how, in the name of development, we have exploited our natural resources ruthlessly and polluted our planet. Today, a multitude of our flora and fauna are facing the dangers of extinction due to, sadly, our selfishness and our greed. As Mahatma Gandhi said it, that the earth has enough resources for our needs but not for our greed. And this stands truer more now than ever. And it's so interesting that he mentioned about this during his time, about the great impact that large-scale industrialization and modernization would have on the environment and the planet.